What is up, guys? Welcome back to G's RC Garage. We got the Revo back out today after fresh storage. Went and cleaned the motor out, did some WD-40, got a brand new air filter on there, trying out that new fuel for the first time, the Morgan fuel sidewinder. Got my little fuel cooler doohickey on the back here, which all this we're going to do some testing on a later video. Today I just wanted to get out, do a little running. I had one of these servos burnt out, so my steering is halfway, but we do have an upgrade coming, so stay tuned for that. That'll be later on in this same video, so make sure you stick around for that. Just replaced my receiver with the gyro working, so you can see we do have gyro action. So yeah, let's just give it a little rip, see how it works, see how long it takes to start up today. I burned that WD-40 out. My GoPro was hitting my controller. I changed my mount. Just need to go back to the other one. Sorry, I can make it work though. Once I start filming, it starts acting up. Oh, look at that wheelie. There we go. Two-stager. It's all clean, so I don't get too dirty. Woo! Buckaroo. Oh yeah, they're real strong. Climb a little bit again. Oh, looking on fuel. Did I have to? Nice smoke going on. Good brake check. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that, works real good. Honestly, not too bad. This is the stock steering servo, or not steering, the throttle servo I took out and put in here. So it's just running on the one right now, but honestly, I'm kind of surprised. It's actually kind of holding its own. But wait till you guys see the upgrade. Alright guys, hope you like this little driving right now. Next time you see me, we'll be back at the garage doing some upgrades. And just like that, we are back in the garage. We got our brand new servo here. You see we picked up one of these perfect pass servos. You can get these on Amazon now. They're like 120 bucks. So they're not the cheapest servo, but they have some really good specs. You guys can check these all out on Amazon. I already got the old ones basically removed. I know a quick way to get this new one in there so you guys don't need a bore. So let's get in there. Boom, just like that. We are in there. Got the perfect part servo working fine. We got moving the whole truck. Got power. Next up, let's go rip. Back. Got the Revo back. Fortunately, earlier we had it seemed like it was the glow plug issue. Just swapped it out. Seemed like it's good to go. So we are down here at my local skate park. Got a few BMXers down here just messing around, but it is pretty hot out. So I think as long as we stay over to the far area there, we should be able to get a little rip in. So let's go ahead and sneak in and see if we can get this thing running. All right, we're in. Let's see if this thing works. We lost receiver voltage. That's gonna be into this dish. That was fun while it lasted. My receiver, I brought the wrong battery. Son of a bitch. But that was so fun. We'll have to bring this thing back out here. That's so good. Hell yeah. Looks like everything's working good though. Running nice and cool. Hot as shit out, but all good. He's a beast at the park. Only use the quarter tank too. No ice. Well, see you guys back at the garage. Back in the garage. So I'm gonna end this video right here. I think I got enough footage for this one. I want to keep these videos a little bit shorter. I don't want to get them too long. Just trying to start out to get some more views on my channel. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share these with your friends, do all that goodness. I got some more footage, so I have another video all ready to go. So make sure you guys hit that little bell so you see that one's coming. Click over here for more videos, down here to subscribe. And till the next one, see you guys later. Peace.